Hello everybody and welcome to my X-Files. Yes, it is back to business with the 9kg VTC5911NB Hoover Vision Tech dryer and the Beko WS832425s washer. So, of course in here is some stuff that's going to go on a refresh kind of thing. For a refresh, very quick because it's more or less dry, that stuff in there. So I'm just giving it a little extra refresh. Down here, of course, we got the Beko, but of course it looks like there are a couple of tiny little dirty bits in there. Thank God I did stuff on that. So, of course, we already have some things in here. So, let's start putting these in. Of course, there's this thing used as a bath mat. Why is that in there? Yeah, something that doesn't belong in there. Of course, there's those. Of course, really disgusting towels and dishcloths. All going in there. This load. There we go, so that's your load right there. So what we've got here is two small bios which I usually like to hide them somewhere in the back. So that's that. But we also got some more fabric softener, some gold vanilla and ylang nectar. So yeah, what I do is open that, then carefully so this will be going on a Cotton's 90 quick. This one. Let's try and get rid of that. A little bit of that dust. There we go. Starting to wash. It's just got some of the dirt gone. And look at that, the bio pan's just, one of the bios has just got pushed. Right, so the dryer has now finished and needs to be opened. Meanwhile, downstairs, the dryer is, of course, at 90 degrees now, which is extremely hot to touch. Of course, it's made a good, decent amount of sun. But yeah, I'm not sure, but I think this is actually going to be taking I don't know if it's taking longer than the other standard cottons one, because the standard cottons one jumped downtime. And that's got 1 hour 23 minutes left, which means they'll be finished like 2:24 at this rate. And it would be finished way before that, I think, if I did it normally. Meanwhile, I'll be getting on with the maintenance of the dryer upstairs. I'm wondering what's going to happen next to this Beko when it comes to the spins. Right, here goes the first intermediate spin. That already looks quite very bad. Here it goes. Oh, it's unbalanced. That washing machine is demented. It's crazy, what? It just did a big explosion like that. It's gonna obviously cause problems. Very minimal bit of activity, of course water, just a bit of activity down there. Oh dear, there was a little bit of water just got sprayed up by that. Slow down. Washing machine's always fun to spin. Of course, it's having a little bit of distributional problems. Here we go. It's very unbalanced. machine's going for it. It's crazy work. Look at that, water starting to react already. Water is already reacting inside the machine. Going crazy in there. Look at it. Now it's starting to sun-stretch. Look at that. Look at it, the machine is demented. It's demented. It's going faster. It's going faster. 1,200 RPM. That's bit's getting really bad. It's getting very, very bad in there. Look at that. That is demented. That's a non-demented washing machine. I don't know what is. Also got a bit of condensation there too. There's also condensation down there in the bottom there too. Look at that. RPM. Luckily that door's keeping closed. But that is a really loud rumbling sound. This washing machine was put in a kitchen. It's a big, loud, rumbling, roaring sound. Sud spit. This is extremely unbalanced. It is crazy. Well, that's what it is. Over there. Oh my god. That was bad. That was crazy what. That's what it is. Now that the washing's finished, open the Hoover and then get the washing in here. Luckily that door isn't going to shut. So that will go on the all towels cycle. There we go. Now all the other washing part stuff in here. Of course, we've got aprons, tea towels, anything that's been used to more or less clean things up.